Hello students, we were on chapter 12 Changing Times. Let's recall what we have studied in the previous video. The story Changing Times is about a boy Chetan Das who used to teach the children like you. In the first story, A Big Move, the Chetan Das was 9 years old and at that time he used to live in Dera Ghazi Khan. Presently Dera Ghazi Khan is in Pakistan. Then due to some problem he had to shift to Delhi. Now they have to build a new house in Delhi. So Chetan Das and his family, they started building a new house. At that time the houses were used to build with mud. Next story is The Changing House. In the story, the Chetan Das has become young and he started doing job. Now his parents wanted him to get married. So before getting married, he just renovate his house, build a new room with the cement and roof, cement and unbaked bricks. So at that time the time changes and people started using cement and unbaked bricks. He also built a separate toilet in the house, but majority of the people at that time, they were not having separate toilet in the house. So the people from Basti come to clean the toilet, but they were not allowed to enter the house. So let's get started with the new story. More changes. My 2 sons and a daughter were born in that house. Time passed. The children completed their studies. 15 years ago, our daughter Simi got married and moved to Palwal. When Raju was to get married, we felt that we should get the house ready for the new bride. After getting married, now Chetan Das was having 2 sons and a daughter, and their children also have completed their studies. 15 years ago, his daughter Simi also got married and moved to Palwala place. Now Raju, his one of the son is also getting married, but Chetan Das felt that before the Raju get married, we should get the house ready for the new bride. Children, please now underline the hard word daughter. DAUGHTER, daughter. Daughter means beti. Palwal, PALWAL, Palwal. It is a place in district Haryana. By then, everyone was using baked bricks. We also used them for the walls and put a lintel for the roof. We used marbles, chips and cement for a strong and fancy floor. In the toilet, we put pipes to take away the waste. The kitchen was made bigger. Now, Raju's wife does not use the clay chulha. She stands while cooking on the gas stove. Now at this stage the people started using baked bricks, जो गर्म करी हुई ईंटें होती हैं. And Chetan Das also used the lintel for the roof. Lintel means जो खिड़कियों के ऊपर से झाँप जिसे बोलते हैं, that is lintel. And he also uses marble and cement for the fancy floor. And in the toilet he just put the pipe so that the waste from the toilet just go outside. And he also made the kitchen bigger. Now the new bride don't have to use the clay chulha. She can stand and cook on the gas stove like we have today in our home. Children, let's underline the hard words. Baked, BAKED, baked. Bricks, BRICKS, bricks. Lintel, LINTEL, lintel. Marble, MARBLE, marble. Pipes, PIPES, pipes. Next and the last story of chapter 12, Seeing New Things. My younger son Montu moved to Delhi when he got a job there. Now he stays there with his family. Suman and I stay with Montu for some months in a year and with Raju in Sohna for the rest of the time. On the way to Delhi from Sohna, we go through Gurugram. So many big high-rise buildings have come up there. Here, Chetanda's younger son also started doing job in Delhi, and they used to stay there with their family. So Suman and Chetandas also started living with Montu for some months in a year and then with Raju in Sohna village for the rest of the time. From traveling from Delhi to Sohna, Chetandas noticed that he went through Gurugram. There he noticed that there are big high-rise buildings that have come up there. Children, now please underline the hard words. Younger. Y-O-U-N-G-E-R, younger. Younger means chota. Delhi. D-E-L-H-I, Delhi. Gurugram. G-U-R-U-G-R-A-M. That is a place in Delhi. Buildings. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G-S. Buildings. A few years ago, Raju renovated the toilet and the bathroom. He used colored tiles in his bathroom. Imagine spending so much money for a place to have a bath. I am now 70 years old. In all these years, I have seen so many changes, even in my own house. I don't know where my grandchildren will want to live and how their house will be. I wonder what the houses are like in Dera Ghazi Khan today. And how about all my friends? Where will they be? Here Chetandas is telling that few years ago Raju renovated the toilet and the bathroom for his convenience. Renovate मतलब नया बनाना, किसी चीज़ को renovate करना. And he used tiles in the bathroom. Now Chetandas is saying that why to spend so much money for a place to have only a bath. Now Chetandas is 70 years old and he is telling that during his life he has seen many changes, that too in his house also. Now he wonder that the houses in Dera Ghazi Khan, how they look, and what about their friends, his friends in Dera Ghazi Khan, where will they be now? So now चेतनदास ने बहुत सारे चेंजेस देखे अपने लाइफ में. वो सोचते हैं कि मेरे ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन वो कहाँ रहेंगे, उनका हाउस कहाँ होगा, और जब मैं अपना छोटा था डेरा गाजी खान में तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं वो कहाँ होंगे. सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी ऑल अबाउट चेतन दास. इन द स्टोरी चेंजिंग टाइम्स, बदलता समय, कैसे समय बदल रहा है चेतन दास की लाइफ में. जब वो छोटे थे तब उनका घर मिट्टी से बना था, गोबर उन्होंने यूज़ किया था, ट्रेडिशनल वे यूज़ किया था. फिर धीरे धीरे उन्होंने अपना घर रेनोवेट किया, बनाया. जब उनकी शादी हुई उसके बाद उनके चिल्ड्रन हुए, फिर उनकी चिल्ड्रन की मैरिज हुई. सो ऑल दिस थिंग चेतन दास has told us in the story. Children, in this you have to underline the hard words. Renovated. R-E-N-O-V-A-T-E-D. Renovated. Bathroom. B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M. Bathroom. Spending. S-P-E-N-D-I-N-G. Spending. खर्च करना. Imagine. I-M-A-G-I-N-E. Imagine. सोचना. Grandchildren. 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 So that's all for the video. In the next video we will be discussing about the exercises of this chapter. Bye bye students.